But you know what? The real problem is not just vocabulary or grammar. Then what is it? Trust me, the real problem is. Hello everyone. Have you ever struggled to find the right words while speaking English? Have you ever thought about it? Maybe you have felt that the problem is with your vocabulary or grammar, right? But you know what? The real problem is not just vocabulary or grammar. Then what is it? Trust me, the real problem is thinking in your native language first and then translating it into English. Yes, that's the real problem. Why? Because thinking in your native language and then translating it into English slows you down. Moreover, it gives extra burden to your brain. Then what is the solution to this problem? Very simple. Just train your brain to directly think in English. Okay, fine. But how to do it? That's exactly what we are going to talk about in this video today. Are you ready? Okay. Let's go step by step and discuss how to train your brain to think in English and speak fluently. Okay? Right. Step number 1, start with simple words. You see, my friends, please don't overcomplicate what I am saying now. Start with basic words and phrases that you use daily. For example, when you wake up in the morning, instead of thinking, what should I do now in your native language, try forming that thought directly in English. Got it? Small changes like this make a huge difference, really. Okay? And once you are comfortable replacing those native language simple thoughts with English ones, let's move on to something even more powerful. That is step number 2, talk to yourself in English. Talk to yourself in English. I know it sounds funny, but trust me, this works like magic. Throughout the day, try describing things around you in English, like instead of thinking this food is delicious in your native language, say it in English right away. And do this for everything, your food, your clothes, even your thoughts, whatever it may be. That's it. Okay. Now, step number 3, this is my favorite, that is play the 1 minute English game. This is a fun way to train your brain. Pick any topic like your favorite food, your daily routine, your weekend plans, etc., and set a timer for 1 minute. Now talk about it in English without stopping. Don't worry about any mistakes while doing it. Just keep going. For example, my favorite sport is cricket, and now I will try to speak about it for 1 minute. Just see me. Okay, my favorite sport is cricket. It is such an exciting game because it's not just about hitting sixes and fours. It's also about strategy, patience, and those intense moments that keep you on the edge of your seat. Whether it is a test matches, ODIs or T20s, every format has its own charm. What I love most is how unpredictable cricket can be. One moment your team is cruising to victory, and then on the next day a wicket falls and the entire momentum shifts. And what about fielding? Those diving catches and lightning fast runouts can completely change the game. And speaking of the game changer, my favorite player is MS Dhoni. I mean, what a legend. His calmness under pressure, his incredible finishing skills, and that iconic helicopter shot, everything about him is just inspiring. He is not just a player, he is a captain who had led India to so many victories, including the 2011 World Cup. Watching him play was always special, and even now his legacy in cricket is unmatched. Honestly, cricket is more than just a sport for me. It's a passion. The thrill, the drama, and the heroes like Dhoni make it unforgettable. See, my friend, that is a full minute. Try this exercise with different topics every day. Definitely, it will train your brain to think in English quickly and improve your fluency. Okay? And now, step number 4, use English for small decisions. Next time when you make a small decision, do it in English. Like, should I wear the blue shirt or the black one? Say this in English, not in your native language, right? The more you think in English, the faster you will get better in speaking English. Okay? And step number 5, watch and listen in English. Remember, my friends, in the process of learning English, your brain needs more English input. So, watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or even play games in English. And here is a trick, just speak what you hear. If a character in a movie says, "That's amazing," pause and repeat it. You will sound more natural if you do it repeatedly. Okay? And finally, step number 6, practice with a time limit. Here is a challenge for you. Describe your day in English in just 30 seconds. No stopping, no translating. Just speak whatever comes to your mind. Do this daily and you will see massive improvement really. And look, my friends, fluency isn't about knowing big words, it's about thinking fast and speaking confidently. And the only way to do that, just surround yourself with English every day. So, from today, promise yourself no more translations, just think in English, speak in English, and soon you will be fluent. Now, tell me in the comments what is the first thought you had in English today? Let's start training your brain right now. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 for more content like this, and let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking. Bye.